Hello, I am Ava, your English tutor, and today I will help you learn English words and phrases you might need at the hospital. Hospitals are places where people go when they are sick or hurt. They can be scary if you don't understand what is happening. But don't worry. With the right English words, you can feel more comfortable and safe. This lesson is for everyone who wants to know English words for hospital visits. Whether you are a patient, family member, or hospital staff member, this will help you communicate better. 1. Basic phrases for patients. When you go to a hospital, there are some common things you might need to say. Here are some important phrases. I feel sick. This is a basic way to say that you don't feel well. I need a doctor. You might say this if you want to see a doctor. Can you help me? If you need help, this phrase is very useful. Where's the bathroom? Hospitals can be big, and sometimes it's hard to find the bathroom. This phrase will help. 2. Meeting the doctor. When you meet the doctor, they might ask you many questions. It's important to understand these questions. Here are some common questions doctors ask. What is the problem? The doctor will want to know why you are there. You might say, I have a headache or I feel dizzy. When did the pain start? This question helps doctors understand when your symptoms began. Is the pain sharp or dull? Doctors use these words to understand the type of pain you have. Sharp pain is strong and quick, while dull pain is less intense. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? This helps doctors know how serious your pain is. If it's a 1, it's not bad. If it's a 10, it is very bad. 3. Talking about your symptoms. Symptoms are signs that show you are not feeling well. Here are some ways to talk about common symptoms. I have a headache. Headaches are very common. I have a fever. A fever means your body temperature is higher than normal. I feel dizzy. This means you feel like you might fall or faint. I am coughing. If you are coughing a lot, you should tell the doctor. I feel tired. Sometimes, being very tired can mean you are sick. 4. Asking for help. You might need help from the nurses or other hospital staff. Here are some ways to ask for help. Can you bring me some water? If you are thirsty, ask for water. I need to go to the bathroom. If you need help going to the bathroom, say this. Can you give me a blanket? If you are cold, you can ask for a blanket. Can you call my family? If you want to talk to your family, you can ask the nurse to call them. 5. Talking to your family. If you have family members with you in the hospital, you will need to communicate with them too. Here are some phrases that can help. I am scared. If you are feeling afraid, it's okay to tell your family. Please stay with me. Sometimes, you might need someone to be with you for comfort. I am feeling better. If you feel like you are getting better, you can let your family know. Can you get me something to eat? If you are hungry, your family can help you get food. I don't feel like talking right now. If you are tired or not feeling well, you can tell your family you need rest. 6. Understanding hospital staff. Hospital staff work hard to help you feel better. Here are some things hospital staff might say to you. You need to rest. The nurse or doctor may tell you to rest. Take this medicine. If the doctor gives you medicine, you should listen carefully. We will do some tests. Doctors may need to run tests to understand what is wrong. This may hurt a little. Sometimes, a doctor or nurse might tell you this before doing something that might hurt, like giving you an injection. Please sign this form. You may need to sign forms to allow the doctor to treat you. 7. Hospital rooms and equipment. In the hospital, there are many new words to learn about rooms and equipment. Here are some examples. This is your room. When you go to your hospital room, someone will show you. This is N4. N4 is a small tube that goes into your arm to give you fluids or medicine. This is a stretcher. A stretcher is used to carry sick or injured people. This is a wheelchair. A wheelchair is for people who cannot walk. This is an oxygen mask. If you have trouble breathing, you may need to wear an oxygen mask. 8. Understanding what the doctor says. Doctors might speak quickly or use special words. Here are some tips for understanding what the doctor is saying. Can you repeat that? If you didn't understand something, you can ask the doctor to say it again. What does that mean? You can ask for a simple explanation of words you don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain it in simpler words? Don't be afraid to ask for simple words if something is difficult to understand. Is this treatment necessary? Sometimes you may want to know if a treatment is really needed. Are there any side effects? Doctors may give you medicine or treatments that can have side effects, and it's good to ask about them. 9. Words to know in the emergency room. If you are in an emergency situation, there are special words you need to understand. Here are a few. Emergency. If you are in danger, shout "emergency" to get help quickly. I need help fast. This phrase can help if you are in urgent need of medical care. Is it life-threatening? This question helps you understand if the situation is very serious. Is the bleeding controlled? If someone is bleeding, you will want to ask if the bleeding has stopped. What happened? Doctors will want to know how you got hurt or sick. 10. Discharge from the hospital. When you are better, you may need to leave the hospital. Here are some phrases for when you are ready to go home. Can I go home now? When you are ready to leave, you can ask this question. What should I do after I leave the hospital? You might need instructions about what to do after you go home. Do I need to see the doctor again? You might need another visit to the doctor after you leave. Can I get a prescription for medicine? If you need more medicine, ask for a prescription. Conclusion. Learning English for the hospital is important because it helps you feel more comfortable and safe. Whether you are a patient, a family member, or part of the hospital staff, knowing some key phrases can make things easier. Always remember that it's okay to ask questions if you don't understand something. Hospitals are places where people take care of you, and understanding each other is important. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time on the Podcast English family.